At 50 years old, I have finally earned my Bachelor of Science in Office Administration degree. You might wonder why it took me this long to finish college. The truth is, I come from a broken family, and at just 14 years old, I had to work to survive. I started as a printing press helper and cleaner. Life was never easy, but I refused to give up. I worked as an all-around employee in a small community grocery store. With nothing but courage and determination, I took a risk at 18 and started my own business. Being a young entrepreneur without a college degree was challenging. I had limited funds, struggled with operational expenses like payroll and rent, and at the same time provided for my months-old daughter. Those responsibilities did not break me. They fueled me to work even harder. I made the promise to take care of the people who trusted me, my employees. Through the years, they become more than my staff. They become my business partners, my travel companions, and my family. For almost 3 decades, we have stood side by side. I never discriminated against them. What I ate, they ate. What I earned, we celebrated together. Like me, many of them did not have diplomas. We do not have prestigious titles. What we had was diligence, loyalty, and unshakable commitment to become financially stable and build better lives. Today, every blessing we enjoy is a fruit of our hard work and faith. I am grateful not only for the success, but for the family I found along the way. Now that I have reached my golden years, I have checked almost everything off my bucket list, but one dream remained: to earn my diploma and wear my toga. And now, I finally have. I firmly believe that age is never a hindrance to learning. It is never too late to finish what you started. As a single parent to an 8-year-old son with special needs, earning this diploma means more than personal achievement. It means setting an example. It means showing my son that perseverance, education, and determination can open doors, no matter the obstacles. To the Gen Z and Gen Alpha generations, I hope my story reminds you that success is not about how fast you finish, but how determined you are to keep going. Be diligent, stay committed, chase your dreams relentlessly. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the people who encouraged and guided me in returning to school and finishing this journey. To my mommy teacher and mentor, Miss Lilibet Amatong, thank you for believing in me and inspiring me to continue pursuing my dreams. Special thanks as well to my home study instructor, Teacher Melody Leona, and my online class instructor, Professor Bong Escobedo of PCU Escobedo Extension, for your patience, guidance, and dedication. I am forever grateful to Mami Susan Rogacion of Nazareth Institute Alfonso for the love, support, and encouragement you have given me throughout this journey. Your kindness and trust in me helped make this achievement possible. To my Tolentino family, my 3 brothers, William, Wilson, and Lily, my sisters-in-law, Grace, Emily, and Heidi, and to all my beloved nephews and nieces, thank you for your constant love and support. To my 86-year-old mother and to my father who is now in heaven, this achievement is dedicated to both of you. Everything I have accomplished is because of the values, strength, and love you instilled in me. To my beloved son, Willard King Tolentino, being a single father has not always been easy. There were many challenges and sacrifices, especially in balancing time and responsibilities. But I want you to know that with dedication, hard work, and perseverance, anything is possible. I hope my journey inspires you to follow your dreams and pursue your education with determination. To all my supporters, followers, subscribers, and the community who have shown me love and unwavering support, thank you from the bottom of my heart. This milestone is not the end of my journey. I will continue striving for more. I plan to pursue my second degree so that one day I may also achieve my master's degree. With all my love, gratitude, and prayers, thank you for being part of my journey. Lastly, to all my batchmates, especially to my alma mater, Philippine Christian University, from faculty to administrators, we all dream high together and make a mark of this world and spread wonders. Congratulations to all of us. We did it.